is the area. And here is the temple.
This is where we will be.
This is where we will do our boat ride to the fall.
Hi, good morning.
Now we are getting insect country.
What?
There's like an insect around here.
That's okay. So we can like try to cross the bridge later if you like. Baby.
Mandatory ng ano to eh.
You need to wear it.
Remove your okay.
Comfortable. We have to. Okay.
It looks like the Animal Crossing.
Morning. The what?
It looks like Animal Crossing the water.
Go first there.
Now we just started the boat ride. Show the river.
Hand should be inside only, okay?
Yeah.
Baby, don't put your hand outside, okay? That boat is too close. Oh, we will hitch a ride. We will hitch a ride with the boat, and it will pull us. Look at the place. Lilies of flowers. Yeah. You can tell it to that.
Now there are some lilies and flowers on this side.
What's the color of the flower?
Purple.
Purple?
Yeah.
And a goat.
Oh yeah.
The tower pulled us up and they're gone. It's time to row. Time to row.
Sir, baka alam nito. Ito yung tabing ilog po.
Ah, okay. So there's a film, baby, that was shot here. Not a film, but a TV series.
Yung dating
It's called Tabing Ilog. So it's here. It's here. So this is a bumpy ride
There's
now.
a red thing.
On the rock? I didn't see. Oh, so it's like they made a pathway here.
Yeah.
The rocks are on the side. Look at the dragonflies. It's nice. It's like a mix of dragonflies and butterfly. Oh, kabinti. So it's part of kabinti na.
Ayaw. Set na ng Palgate.
It's called the monitor lizard baby. Bayawak in Filipino. Hands inside, okay? Dragonflies. And my GoPro didn't catch the monitor lizard. It was running along the water. We're late, baby, but they said early in the morning we can see monkeys. Maybe the monkeys are sleeping na at this time. So this is like the head of the helicopter and that part is the tail. Later when we're coming back you'll see it better. They call it helicopter falls. Yeah, look the side. Another like light fall. Ano? Tubernaculo. Look, it's so high, baby. Hi, Ember. We should try to balance. Huh? Oh, we're going through those two boulders. Do you hear them shouting? That's their signal if there's someone like passing through also. Yeah. Yeah. Yan. So they said, baby, even if the rain is hard, that falls is just like that, showering very little, and it doesn't dry up. So what do you call this body of water then? Huh, baby? River. Okay. Whoop. So there's another falls. How many did we pass by already? This is like the fourth one, I think.
Okay, the bottom.
What?
It's reaching into the river.
Yeah.
So now we're crossing again some more.
Hi.
And it's a little hot, but not too much because there's a lot of plants
Ano? All of mommy's ano, friends, Korean.
How do you know?
Let's try to extend a little bit more for that dragonfly. Ay, it flew away. So we're like going to let them pass through. We'll wait here.
Yan pa nga ngayon. So, hindi na ako. Oh, hindi na kasi. Oh.
Hands inside. Ooh, quiet again. Oh, we're going up this. Up, up. Yeah. Getting pulled. Squeeze through. Oh, there we go. Yeah. I think Cinder won't be able to come here until next year. Go up. Photo. Remember? Oh, you can say we're here at the first post.
So we're here at the first post and we don't know the name yet.
We'll ask
We'll
later.
ask later. A lizard!
Where? Oh, there. A small one. Okay. Say it now.
It is a harlot falls.
Talahib.
Harlot falls.
Talahib means tall grass. And we're taking a little shower so that we're a little bit cool. Ah, nice. The wind is nice, right? How is it? How is it, baby? Smiling the camera. Here. You're wet? How's it? Hi. Or they'll pull us up. Oh, they'll pull us up. Yeah, they'll pull us up. Sometimes the water goes high then.
Woo! And this one. This
Other side. Oh. It is easy.
Solo-solo na pala dito.
There.
Now we are going into the waterfall. How long are we already here?
I am not pretty sure. So we're going to the like side of the falls and get drenched. Are you ready?
You can feel the wind and it's super cold.
There's a cave behind. We're behind. Okay.
Now we are behind the waterfall and we don't have the glasses because they told us to remove it.
Pagsanjan po. Turn around, turn around. Okay. That's okay. We're beside it. So, sit here with me. We're beside it. Beside the wall. And the falls. But it's fun. Now it's time to go back. So how do you find the place?
It's
Nice? Just nice? Not beautiful? What?
It is.
It is.
Did you guys enjoy?
Yeah, did you enjoy?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, it's cold. It's cold. Water is cold. Where's Shiloh? There's a rock here. Wanna try?
No.
Huh?
No.
Try it like this. Say something.
Now we will be going back. And we tried to go inside in here and it's super cold.
How is it?
It's super cold.
Super cold for you.
No, it's cold.
Okay. We should show mommy. Oh Lord, look at it in the video. In our GoPro, it's 22% left. Are you enjoying? Yes. So, how do you find the water here?
It's cold but very, very, very more lesser than Tai Tai Falls.
Tai Tai is a lot colder, and I think Tai Tai is a lot clear.
Yeah.
So it's also clear. See, I can see my legs under the water. I mean, foot under the water.
Yeah, but I think Tai Tai is clearer.
Yeah, because it's shallower, I think. This
Yeah.
one is a little bit deeper.
Yeah.
And the falls is maybe moving the
Water.
silt and mud or the gravel down the bottom of the river.
Yeah.
Do you know what you call this area?
What?
That is like where the falls drops?
What is it?
It's called a lagoon. Okay? So for every falls Usually, every falls there's a lagoon like this, and then it goes out, feeds out through the river. Creeks and rivers. Look at the what do you call that? The mist. But even people who knows how to swim, they don't allow to swim without the life.
I know. Okay.
Would you like to go back to another place like this?
Yeah.
Yeah? How about this place? Would you like to visit this again sometime? Maybe? Yeah. It's nice. It's a nice trip and experience. Huh?
Yeah.
What time do you think it is?
I don't know because we're not exercising.
Yeah, because when we're going in places like this, usually you don't care about time. You just let it drift and enjoy the place. I enjoyed it. This is the first time I've been here. And then, yeah, I've never been here. So beautiful. Long river ride, right?
Yeah.
Was it long? Not really long. Okay. But I'm still thinking who was the first person who did it. Would you think of doing that? Like ride a boat going nowhere?
I don't know.
You don't know. I
Like,
think,
this is what we're here.
yeah, if nobody knows about this, let's say nobody knows about this place yet, who will go here? I think the first person who went here was like hiking only, walking, and then he was following the river. Maybe he's curious to find like where is the river coming from, and then he reached this place and he saw it. Oh, it's a dead end, but it's a beautiful like enclosed lagoon here with a waterfall. I think somebody's going to use the boat now. I mean this raft, look. Yeah. We saw a tiny lizard. It's called a monitor lizard, and unfortunately we didn't catch it with the GoPro.
There's some more.
Yeah. Oh, it's a big group.
Ano ko na dyan?
Hi. Huh?
Before there's a wall.
Yeah. So how's your Pagsanjan Falls experience?
It was, it's fun.
What?
I said it was fun.
It was fun. Okay. What else?
And the place, it was beautiful.
It was beautiful. Okay. That's nice. And what are the things that we saw? Do you remember seeing some animals there?
Yes.
What kind?
We weren't early enough, but they said that there were monkeys in the area.
Yeah, in the morning.
And that, there were also some burrows for like some tinier animals like lizards and snakes there. We saw 2 what lizards?
Yeah.
What kind of that was?
There was a monitor lizard and a skink.
2 mountain lizards and a skink lizard. And like 4 to 6 waterfalls, I think.
Yeah. I think it was around 7 even.
Oh yeah, maybe 7. And then like 3 colors of dragonflies.